lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros, but immunity. Can't beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now let out do me. I got hoes by the crew tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, got in order. This shit ain't got serious, the meetings come plural. I'm living by morals, we swiping and keeping no door. Restore, I'm young and I'm turned, I got bitches galore. My baby mom will cost 250, I'm sturdy. That's by me and cash, every bitch get murdered. My young niggas still get away, they be virgin. They acting like this, I ain't do it on purpose. I'm working my move, nigga, who from you working? I turned on my coupe, bought a coupe off of verses. I'm tired of these strippers, I'm going at nurses and doctors and dentists. You started, I
So I just washed my hair, blow dried it and fly ironed it myself. And talking about hair, let me show you guys the 2 wigs that I got. So I ordered 2 wigs on Black Friday. Oh, there my glasses go. I was looking for my glasses all over the shoes on the floor, y'all, but whatever. So yeah, Black Friday I ordered 2 wigs from, of course, the only person I ordered a wig from, Bella Lux Bundles on Instagram. I'll put it in the description box. But she had a great deal. Like, it was buy one get one free wig. She had like so much other deals, I can't remember it, but I got the buy one get one free wig. So y'all already know the vibes. Her hair is just so amazing, and this is not a paid promo, obviously, I just know her. But even if I just know her, if the hair was trash, I was not wearing it, period. So y'all could believe me and go and shop with her. So yeah, it came with this. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And another fun fact is, I used to be on her site. I think I'm still on her site. But when she first came out, like years ago, this is how long I've been wearing her hair. Me and her sister, 2 sisters, was on her site. It was just so much fun. And I just love to be on her site. No funny shit. So what did I get? I got a 13x4 frontal wig, 30 inches, and a 13x4 frontal wig, 24 inches, both straight. I should have got body wave for one of them, but I was just like, I'm gonna just get both of them straight. 2 different lengths. You feel me? This is a good deal. Like, y'all already know the vibes. This is the 30-inch one. Oh shit. But yes. So don't mind my nails, y'all. But this is how it's looking. Period. 30-inch. Let me put it on my head fake. Oh, it comes with a band and all. Don't play around. So I took my hair in real quick. So this is how it's looking on my head. Straight out the box. Period. I wish I knew how to do hair myself. Like, oh my god, I would have been and sold this shit. I don't know how to do hair for nothing, y'all. Let me make an Instagram post real quick. Hopefully I can find somebody to do my hair. I'm gonna get my hair done for New Year's. I feel like I should do the 30-inch wig for New Year's. Oh, I forgot to stand up and show y'all how long it is on me, because y'all know. So I got it in this box. I have so many cute cases, y'all. Like, this is one of the cases. So fucking cute. And if you've been watching my last tech vlogs, I know y'all peeped my cases in some of them or whatever, but this is another one. Another one. These are 2 Chanel's. Chrome Heart. Chrome Heart. I'm getting sick of the Marys. Chrome Hearts. I want Chrome Hearts crazy. Goyard. Oh, another Chrome Hearts. Oh my god, another Chrome Hearts. And this one matched my nails last vlog, if y'all didn't notice. Louis V, Louis V. Louis V, Louis V. Prada, if you're proud of me, proud of me. Prada. And then these COS. I love this one. It's like 3D. So yeah, those are my new cases. It's so fucking cute. Hey guys, so I'm about to go to a lash appointment. So I didn't even have a lash appointment today, y'all, but I wrote my lash tech / my friend Miriam, and I had to say like, girl, do you have any more appointments for December? She was like, nah, fuck. So then she wrote me like a couple minutes after like a situation with a girl, I guess, who was supposed to come for 8:30 p.m. Whatever happened with her, I got that appointment. So shout outs to whoever appointment that was. Shout outs to you, because I need to fill in badly. It's about to be 2023. We're not going into the new year looking like this. Come on now. So yeah, I'm about to head over there. I was supposed to leave at 7:20. It's 7:20 right fucking now. So yeah, let me go or whatever. And I was also supposed to drop off my wig today, but I left the fucking wig home. Could y'all believe that? Mind you, you're supposed to drop the wig 7 days off in advance. Right now it's Thursday. My appointment is Saturday, so I have to bring it tomorrow. I have to bring it tomorrow. So yeah, it's on my bed. I don't know if y'all see in the back of me or whatever. Wow.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever come, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to give up. Lately I've been really fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, how we get this money, so I guess I keep complaining. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And then don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Baby, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Baby, focus.
Better on the first date. I should've said what's wrong in the first place. I don't, cause you always taking it the wrong way. You won't listen, you're too busy playing 2K. I've always been down, but you still sleep. And even though I said it, now you should've been peeved. I feel it in my soul, yeah, it's so deep. So deep, you should know that about me. I just turned down your avenue.
I like this. This is me. You said this is me.
You know what I like about this?
What?
Like, it's away from your face. I like those looks for you. Like that, the flat sisters doing the vibe.
Yeah, like it's showing my face, right?
Yeah, this is the vibe.
I like this. I might get this shit every day. Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys. So as y'all can see, my hair is done. But I'm so motherfucking mad because why would I not come on camera when the Insta was fresh? This is like 3 days after I got it done. It's so cute though. Let me show y'all. Hold on. Hold on. My camera is broken, so y'all gotta bear with me. So yeah, this is the same hair that I showed you guys too, that I bought for my friend or whatever. This is the 30-inch wig. Giving like 28. Yeah. The body is bodying, period. But yeah, so this is how it's looking. This is how long it is. The hair is fucking amazing, regular, you know, been using her. So this is nothing new. But yeah, the curls done dropped and all. That's why I'm saying I should have came when it was a fresh install. But it's whatever. The hair is done. The nails still not done, but I'm gonna just hold it down until I could get it done, because I can't get an appointment for squat. And me and my friend just fired our other nail tech, period. We don't play games with these hoes. Are you done? Oh, I'm just loving the 2 nose rings. Like, it's so fucking cute. But yeah, anyways, y'all, so I'm just sitting here looking for a gym to join. Y'all know it's 2023. We not gonna play. I say this all the time, right? But this time I'm serious. Like, I'm not gonna play. And I'm also thinking, like, damn, I'm doing too much at once. Like, I need to cut some stuff off. I do, for real. I can't do all of this stuff at once, because it's not good to, what's the word, overwork yourself. I'm doing way too much. Lashes, plannings. I'm trying to go to the gym. On top of that, I work a whole 9-to-5 job that always mandate us for overtime. Like, come on. Or should I say 8 to 4:30? But yeah, same shit. So I'm really just sitting here like, damn, what am I gonna do? But yeah, that's a combo for another day, because I'm gonna figure it out or whatever. But like I was saying, currently taking out my rods, and it's coming out real cute. So I just took out the long curls, and I have to fix the top, and I left a piece out, and it's so obvious because it's not cut up, but whatever. And I also have to got to be this side, but I gotta wash my lashes next. I want y'all to look at my body shape this month, cause watch.
We want to focus on the snatch part. So if you focus on the inches and you lose the inches in the right places and you're feeling excited, that's the healthy way to look at it. That makes sense?
Yes, that makes sense.
So that's really our focus point. So my specialty is tracking, right? Tracking results.
With the 8 sessions.
Perfect. 8 sessions is actually good, because that'd be like 2 sessions a week.
Yeah.
And on top of that, we always give you like a little welcome kit to welcome you to our team and so forth, and we'll give you like a meal plan guide and everything. You will have a workout homework also for you to follow initially. Okay, so that's to also hold you accountable and so forth.
Okay.
So you can always book online, or you can actually Zelle, whatever you prefer. It doesn't make a difference. I prioritize your slot. Once the payment is done, I prioritize your slot, and I make sure you get what you need to get. And then and at least we will have your kit. You will have your kit in advance before you even start your package.
Okay, so I'll just text you, or I'll call you whenever I pay for it tomorrow. So yeah, y'all. That was a personal trainer on the phone, cause I gotta get this body right. I gotta get my motherfucking stomach flat in time for my birthday. And not just my birthday, just for me. Like, this is something I've been wanting to do. Like, just make my stomach flat. Because ever since I had Zion, like, my stomach dead ass never been flat again. And if you know me, like, in real life, I've been skinny my whole life. So this is, like, crazy. Like, and I just got comfortable with it. Not even comfortable, just, like, lazy with it. Like, fuck it. Like, but no, we're gonna work this out. And I also want to get this butt in shape. You heard? $500 is crazy though. Hey guys, I look crazy, but I'm currently editing this vlog that you guys are about to watch, and I just noticed, like, like always, I don't have an ending. But what I want to say is I did not end up going with this fitness trainer because I just didn't feel the vibe at all. And before I paid, I was going on all the people that I consulted with page to see if they actually have clients. Do they actually, you know what they're doing, etc, etc. And he never really had clients. He had like one client all the time, and I don't really like that or whatever. And like, he just played too much. I don't have time to play. Like, I'm really trying to, like, you know. So I didn't go with him. I ended up going with someone else, but we'll talk about more of that in another vlog because I look crazy right now and I don't feel like talking right now. So yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I know it's not a Lash Tech vlog, but I hope you guys enjoyed it still. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you for y'all support. I love you guys. Later.